everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Open Secret Diary, and if you are new here, my name is Sapna. Today's video is going to be a product review video, and the product I'm going to review today will be the Intuit Blooming Blusher. So last month Intuit released its new series of products, the Blooming series, and today I am here with one of the blushers from Intuit Blooming series. It's also the first time I'm going to use it, so it's kind of a first reaction video as well. This is how the cover or packaging of this product looks. Pretty sleek and thin. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. I got this from the Watson of Sungewang Plaza at Bukit Bintang, and it was for 25 ringgits. So let's see what else is written on the package. So it is the Blooming Blusher BMH06. So the shade is BMH06 Jasmine. It was manufactured on 3rd October 2020 and it is going to expire on 3rd October 2023. So it has a huge lifespan. So what else is there? It says Intuit Blooming Blusher. It soothes, brightens, moisturizes. It has antioxidant and it has vitamin E. We also have a direction. It's like use an applicator brush to apply to the cheeks. And there is a caution. Obviously, you don't have to put it in your eyes. So that you have to avoid. Then there's a list of ingredients and it is made in Thailand. And it's 3.5 gram. I hope you could see that. I'm going to open it and see what's there inside and how's the inside packaging. So this is how the packaging of the inside looks. It is kept in a beautiful circular case and it's very small. Obviously it's 3.5 gram for the entire thing, so it is pretty small, and it has the name of the product and the shade at the back of it. At front we have the name of the company Intuit and the range Blooming Blushes. So yes, I love it. So far I am loving the packaging. I'm loving this entire thing. I think it's going to be very easy to carry. You can just keep it inside your tiniest purse. We're going to open it, and here they have given a thing. Yes, you can see these pretty little roses they've made. So pretty. I just love this packaging. Like, I would give them 5 out of 5 for the packaging. Love it. This is actually very good. For the smell, not a fan, I could say. Smell is kind of funny. I don't know, it's funny for me. So yes, now I'm just going to use it. And if you see it in the light, it is kind of reflecting. It has tiny glitters maybe inside it. First, I'm going to show you it with my fingers. So it feels really very creamy, and just see, like orangish tinge in it. It's very smooth and creamy. I just love the way it feels. So yeah, so far, leaving aside the smell, I'm loving everything. I haven't applied it yet. So yeah, it's really pigmented. But yeah, when you see it in the case, it looks more of a brownish kind of, but when you actually use it in the hand, it becomes a bit lighter. It goes more towards the orange. So obviously it's a blusher, so it's going to be orangish. Now it's the moment of truth. So we are going to see if it actually works that well or not. So I'm just going to take the product and put it on the brush, and then I'm just going to dab off the extra. And yes, I don't know if you could see anything, but I can see a tinge of color, and I'll have to use a small mirror to see it properly because right now I'm just using the camera of the phone. It actually looks really pretty. I just used it for once and I'm pretty much okay with the result. I think I don't have to build it up again because it's perfect. I just want to give it a good mix a bit, and it's perfect. It's just how much you need. I love it. It is highly pigmented. You just use it for once and it's more than sufficient. I've not used it on this side till now, but see the difference. You can actually see this has color, and this side looks more healthy because of the color, and this side has no color and it looks pale right now. Now I've used it on this side as well. You can see I've just used one stroke each side, and then I've given it a good mix. I've mixed it properly for I think 2 to 3 minutes, and it just got soaked into my skin, and it's very velvety and I feel so good. It's really good. I think I just found my blush. Loving the way it makes my cheeks pop right now, and it's good. It feels velvety. It is highly pigmented. You just have to use it for once, and the product, this 3.5 gram of product is going to last for a very long time, and obviously it's buildable as well. So now let's talk about the product pros and cons. So pros are, it is a very budget friendly drugstore product, and it has high pigments, so it is highly pigmented. Use it once and you're good to go. Then it has antioxidant, vitamin E, and moisturizing properties, so which is very good. It's again very good for your skin. Now let's talk about the cons. The first thing I would like to say is it smells funny or weird. I just thought it smelled a little weird, means obviously. Second thing which could be a problem for many people is the quantity. It is just, the product is just 3.5 gram, which is very less, so some people might think that it wouldn't last for very long, but that's not a very big problem for me because one stroke is more than enough for me, so I don't have to use it again and again. I don't have to build it up, so it's going to last for I think 2 years for me. So for me, advantages are more than the disadvantage for this product. So I would suggest, if you're looking for a good blusher in a budget, this is the one for you. You can definitely go for it. It's perfect. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, you can just give it a thumbs up and share it with all your family member, friends and acquaintances. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that is important for me. You can also contact me on Facebook or Instagram. So the links of my social media accounts are given in the description, so check it out. And I would like to give this product a 4.5 rating out of 5, and I deduct the 0.5 because of the smell, and rest I don't have any other problems or complaints against this product. Let me know if you want me to review any other product. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.